It's full time here at Airbus 0, Aberystwyth 1. I'm here with goalkeeper Dom Richards. Dom, clean sheet, first clean sheet for you. How do you feel?
Yeah, great. It's always great to get a clean sheet. It's like I could say at the end, it's good, but the team performed well today, and I'm looking forward to next week and getting going again.
You had precious little to do during that game, but then in the 93rd minute you have to fling yourself towards the ball and make an unbelievable save. What was going through your mind in that?
I was just ecstatic to save it at the end of the day. I haven't had much to do all game, so just to get fingertips of that and keep the win, I'm really happy about it. Yeah.
You've just come into Aberystwyth Town now. What's it been like with the gelling as a club?
Yeah, it's been really good. I came in a few weeks late to pre-season, but the lads all came, shook my hand, and they've welcomed me really well. I'm quite a lad in the dressing room, but they've made me feel really comfortable, so it's been great. Yeah.
Have you found the gap between Stourport Swifts and the Welsh Premier League?
You can definitely see a step up in the standard, especially playing TNS. It was a big shock for me last week, but the football here is a lot better, and Bish really tries to get us playing. So yes, there is a big step.
And finally, what are you looking forward to the rest of the season?
I'm just looking to keep working hard, doing what I can, and trying to get the results, and hopefully get the top half finish like the rest of the lads want for the rest of the season. Yeah.
Dom, many congratulations on a fantastic performance.
Cheers.